and I take this wonderful opportunity to welcome our dear students on this propitious occasion of Children's Day. This day is very important in the life of a child. The children are like tender birds who in whichever way can be molded. So, all the teachers of Bodhishuka School have performed various online programs for their beloved children. Now, I request our Chairman Sir, Venerable Dr. Nandabata, to inaugurate today's program of Children's Day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all students, guardians, and all teachers. I am very happy to wish all students in this occasion. We miss all students, all teachers. Last 1.5 years, we cannot see you, but we can see you only through online. So, on Children's Day, I wish all of you through online only. I wish all of you happy Children's Day. I wish all of you to be happy all forever. Thank you so much.
जो बातें हैं बातें जो दिल की हैं
दिल ही में रखना पिया।
लब तो ना खोलूं मैं खोलूं ना लब तो पर
आँखों से सब कह दिया। पियो बोले पिया बोले क्या ये बोले जानू ना। जिया डोले हाले हाले क्यों ये डोले जानू ना।
पियो बोले पिया बोले क्या ये बोले जानू ना। जिया डोले हौले हौले क्यों ये डोले जानू ना।
एक नदी से मैंने पूछा इठला के जल्दी कहाँ। दूर तेरे पी का घर है बल खा के जल्दी कहाँ। थोड़ा वो घबराई थोड़ा सा शर्माई पूछ ली यहाँ से वहाँ। सागर से मिलने का उसका तो सपना था मेरे ही तरह पिया। जिया डोले हौले हौले क्यों ये डोले जानू ना। पियो बोले पिया बोले क्या ये बोले जानू ना।
जिया डोले हौले हौले क्यों ये डोले जानू ना।
Happy Children's Day. Whenever it comes to the point of children or childhood, the first question which peeps into the mind that whether this generation is getting the blissful childhood. Are they getting the purest form of bond which we used to share? Does the e-book give them the purest essence of the stories which we used to be told by our grandparents under the star-filled sky?
Do PUBG, Free Fire, Clash of Clans, all these online games provide the fun which we used to enjoy during the games. Hide and seek, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Ludo, Carrom board and so many? Yes. We didn't have Android that time. Yes. We didn't have internet, Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, all the social networking sites that time. Yes, not one click, it might take one day or more to reach anyone. But we spent that magical moments. We shared magical memories without Android, without internet.
Friends are sitting at one place, but all are busy in scrolling. Family members do gather, but their fingers are busy to like, share and comment in each other's posts.
অনেক কিছু যেটা ছাড়া আমাদের শৈশব অসম্পূর্ণ ছিল, সেই সব আজ শুধুমাত্র স্মৃতিতে উজ্জ্বল।
কিরে, কিতকিত খেলতে যাবি না?
আজ এই ডাক অতীতের স্মৃতিতে বিলীন।
কি মজা, কি মজা, পড়া শেষ। দাদু আজ ভূতের গল্প শোনাবে। চল চল, তাড়াতাড়ি চল।
সরস্বতী পুজোর চাঁদা তুলতে হবে, ওরে তাড়াতাড়ি কর।
সব উত্তেজনা আর জিপে, ফোনপে, জাস্ট দ্য ম্যাটার অফ ওয়ান ক্লিক।
সেই পুজোর জোগাড় করা, বাজার করা, অন্য স্কুলে নেমন্তন্ন কার্ড বিলি করার আনন্দ, তা আজ যেন বড্ড ক্ষীণ। আমাদের জীবন জুড়ে শুধুই আছে ফেসবুক, ইনস্টাগ্রাম, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ আর টুইটার। সেখানে আমরা প্রত্যেক দিন, প্রত্যেক মুহূর্তে খুঁজে চলেছি প্রকৃত বন্ধুকে।
Children spread joy and happiness in every season. As their most beautiful creation of God, they spread fragrance of love wherever they go. Happy Children's Day!
There is a saying that child is the father of man. We, the teachers, are always trying to make human beings. Our efforts are always on the path of creating humanity in the process of making human beings. On the auspicious day of Children's Day, we, the Singing Club of Bodhisukha, want to dedicate a song for the children. Happy Children's Day to everyone, to all the children of the world.
যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে। তবে একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো, একলা চলো রে।
পরাণ খুলে, তবে পরাণ খুলে ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে। ও তুই মুখ ফুটে তোর মনের কথা একলা বলো রে। যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে, তবে একলা চলো রে।
বলো রে যদি তোর ডাক শুনতে না আসে তবে একলা করো রে
Hello everyone, I am your Ipshita Miss, the teacher of Bodhishuka School. On this occasion of Children's Day, I will present a greetings card on behalf of Art and Craft Club. The students of Art and Craft Club very much energetic and enthusiastic. They have made our school proud with their creativity. But today is a day of children. To make the day colorful, we are going to present a greetings card for the children. So, the theme of this card is garden. You can see here children, few 3D flowers, also the butterflies, which I made with marble paper, and also I used some velvet paper to make these leaves. You can see here a garland that is also made by marble paper. We believe children are like birds in a garden. They should be carefully and lovingly nurtured. Also in this garden, you can see a baby chick who is trying to fly in the sky. So students, like this baby chick in the garden who wish to fly in the sky, you also make the sky your limit. Never doubt yourself. Stay focused on your goals and making your dream happen. So this is our overall presentation. Hope you all will like it. At last, I want to say we are missing you a lot. We will overcome this pandemic and meet you soon in the school. Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Hello, my dear students. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. We are here and we are missing you badly. Let's pray that next year may we celebrate this auspicious event in our school. And for this occasion, I want to sing a song for you. Enjoy, everybody.
Happy Children's Day on behalf of Yoga Club to all our beloved students. Today we are going to celebrate online Children's Day, and today I will just suggest you one thing, children. As you are studying online, I know throughout the day your eye gets stressed. Okay, you are very much stressed with your eyes because every time for your studies you have to look on your digital gadgets like computer, mobile or laptop. So for that you can do a little thing every day at the end of the day or at afternoon whenever you get time, just to relax your eyes. You just close your eyes for 5 minutes, put your two hands like this and one on the thumb on your forehead, and you can keep a relax for 5 minutes. Like this, if you do it for 5 minutes, your eyes will get a rest, and at the same time your nerves will also get cooled down and you will feel relaxed. Thank you.
Children's Day, and on the occasion of this, I am playing one tune. Let's try to find it out.
Kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Happy Children's Day. A warm greeting from all the teachers of Bodhushuka to our children. We all teachers pray for you all, and we include God blessings and care for you all, so that you may shine in future with flying colors. You are the gift of God, pure heart, innocent and loved by everybody. With this, I conclude today's program. Hopefully next year we will celebrate this day all together. Wishing you all a happy Children's Day.
So let's say thank you to everyone under the sun. No matter where you live on this earth, a little gratitude always works. Saying thank you all around the world can be fun. In English they say thank you. In Spanish it's gracias. In German it's danke. In Swahili it's asante. In French they say merci. Arigato in Japanese. In Hawaii mahalo. Portuguese they say obrigado. Saying thank you all around the world can be fun. So let's say thank you to everyone under the sun. No matter where you live on this earth, a little gratitude always works. Saying thank you all around the world can be fun. In Polish it's dziękuję. In Hindi it's dhanyavad. In Tamil it's nandri. Evharisto is thank you in Greek. Toda is thanks in Hebrew. Shesheni